What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video on Investing Society. Today I want to go over the market, what is going on. We've been pumping for the past 2 days, so overall the market is going up. It went up heavily today just because the whole virus fear, pretty much everybody forgot about that, and now a lot of doctors are saying that it's not as bad as people say it is, and plus it was a good opportunity for long-term investors. So you saw a lot of people rush in to buy on the market. So let's see, the price ended at 468 today. So for me, in my opinion, it is overbought in the short term. And if you see how in the low we hit like 448, 449, and now we bounced back 468 in just like 2 days. So it was today and yesterday that we had a big bounce back. Now, do I think it's gonna go up, or is there more room to go down? Here's the thing, guys. It all depends on the news that comes out currently. So I think a lot of investors are rational currently. So it's either gonna go up heavily on any good news, or it's gonna go down heavily on any bad news. And right now, we currently are still in a bullish market, going above the moving average and going above the EMA. So ending at 468, what is going to happen tomorrow? Are we going to break all-time highs? If we do, I do not think it can hold these levels at such a short term of period of time, and I would likely buy puts in the short term, and maybe on any dip that's heavily dip down, I'll probably buy for long term, just because it's so 50-50 that we don't know exactly where the direction is going. And here are some news for today that maybe you want to consider for tomorrow that maybe will affect the market. So let's switch over to my window capture. Alright, so if you guys don't know what AWS is, it's basically a service from Amazon that gives data, or it gives us a server for either Netflix. It's a lot of online based servers that Amazon provides, right? I'm not exactly 100% sure about the whole business model about Amazon Web Services, but all I know is it gives them a server, or gives Netflix or a lot of social medias servers, different social medias. And let's read on what happened. So AWS network is down, resulting in global internet issues. So we have Amazon's in-home services like Alexa, as well as other sites like Facebook. So we could possibly see social media go down tomorrow. We possibly could see online e-commerce stores go down tomorrow, just because it's been a lot of down internet problems today. So we could possibly see that going down, which will probably affect the market. If it doesn't, then people will not take this as serious as it is right now, just currently, that a lot of people can do stuff online. But if they get this solved very quickly, then it could be good. And it's just a short-term problem. But if they can, and it's dragging on and dragging on, then that means Amazon can't find the problem, and it's going to take more longer, and more people will be more fearful to buy into the markets where they're having a lot of internet problems, especially in today's times. Like, all we do is, everything is, our lives are in the internet. So we have to solve this problem like very fast. And then I believe the Fed says our number one concern for the government and for the people is, if cybersecurity, if anybody hacks into our systems, anybody hacks into our social media, hacks into our bank accounts, that is a huge concern, just because everything, our lives are on social, or not social media, but on the network, the internet. So it could be a good thing for web3 coins, possibly, if they start promoting different things like, our coins are gonna be doing this, or there's gonna be doing that. It's gonna be competitive for cybersecurity and things like that. So I'm not, for right now, I think it's just a short-term problem, but in the long term, it could crash the market if there is a no solution to this problem. So we have news on that, and then we have news that, you know, a lot of people are not fearing that much of the virus, so we are clear on that. So just know that, guys, that we're living in a volatile market right now, that, or you could say we're living in a kangaroo market, where any good news, it will bounce like a rocket, or it's gonna dump like a rocket if there's any bad news. So can we break new highs tomorrow? Sure. Can we go back to previous lows? Sure. We don't know yet right now, but with this whole AWS shutdown, then we could possibly go down. It all depends, guys. Like it all depends how people take this. We have to be watching the futures currently as well. But let's check out some different stocks that you know, if you guys possibly bought UVXY at 15, you guys had a good gains, but we are going back to that support line at 17. Can we bounce back? Of course, you know, nothing is impossible, but if it goes higher tomorrow, we are possibly gonna hit 16, maybe bottom out and bounce back, but we do not know exactly what's gonna happen. What is another? Let's check out some social medias if they drop down below. Meta platforms. So Meta is going up currently. Good support around 309, around there. It's some good support to buy in. Maybe it'll go back to that previous resistance. If it could break that, then we'll possibly go higher. Who knows? We could possibly go to reach our previous highest. But in my opinion, if it breaks that resistance, Facebook is gonna go to previous highs of 384, especially with the whole metaverse hype and Kathy Wood saying it's gonna go. It's a multi-trillion-dollar business in metaverse. It's just a crazy time right now, guys. Let's check out what's some other good ones. I haven't seen Rivian in a cool minute. What is Rivian doing? Rivian currently at 116. So, guys, like I said, if it breaks below what is it, around $99, I would sell. I think if it breaks below $99, I think we'll possibly go to around $70 to $50 in my opinion, just averaging down from where Neo was at an all-time high, where Lucid is currently let me see where Lucid is currently, but it will probably go around those areas, around 43. So it's good if you're a Rivian investor to watch out, because EV hype will go down, especially when Tesla starts, you know, going into a bear market. But it's just supporting around the moving average. But if it breaks below 950, guys, you know, we could go into a deep EV bear market, and that whoever's a EV investor, you know, it could be a good opportunity to buy for the long term, but you have to watch those previous levels and wait out a perfect opportunity to buy or a perfect opportunity to sell. But anyways, guys, that is my video on the whole stock market. I will make more videos tomorrow, and then so on, about what is going on with the markets. Let me know any concerns or any videos you guys want to see me make about any stocks, any cryptos. I'm not sure if I should stick more into the crypto side or the market side. I just like giving my ideas of a stock or a crypto in the long term or the short term. But anyways, guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.